we're Sophie and Steve from The Honest Adventures, and today we're camping in the Scottish Highlands by this gorgeous lake. We've been driving all day to try and look for a spot, and I think we found the perfect place to spend the night.
Yeah, so we've just parked up. We've got the tent box. We're going to get that up and ready, put the canopy out, and we've got a kayak with us. So we're going to, hopefully, if it doesn't rain too bad, try and get over to the island over there. And yeah, we're going to do some cooking and just chill out, really. It's a plan, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is gorgeous.
This is lovely.
This is our brand new kettle as well. We thought we'd treat ourselves.
Yeah. And we got our cute cups as well.
Yeah.
So we've just been sat here enjoying the view.
And it's absolutely stunning. The sun's just going down. So we're going to make a nice hot stir fry, aren't we? It warms up because it's starting to get a bit cold now.
It has.
I'm actually shivering a little bit.
Yeah, the mountains make it feel a lot colder because there's ice and snow on every single one of them.
Do you want me to hold the pan and you can stir it?
Okay. Should I add in the veg?
Add in the veg, yeah.
This is going... Oh no, is that chilli? Oh my god.
That'd be right.
That'll be okay.
Oh, to be fair, we need the chilli. It's so cold.
Yeah.
There's so much food.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh no.
That's looking
It's,
healthy.
and I'm getting a spa treatment as I cook it.
Yeah. Which we need on this road trip.
I need a spa treatment. I do.
It's gorgeous view.
I remember the first time we went camping and we had this, I mean, this is quite a compact pan because it's for hiking, but we had an even smaller one. And we had no idea what we were doing. I mean, we still haven't got any idea what we're doing.
But we
we had
no
even less
idea.
of an idea.
That meal that we had.
Oh my god. It was we
disgusting.
made a meal in one pan and it
absolutely
was
gross.
it was horrendous. I mean, I'll eat most things, but it was awful.
It was inedible.
It was inedible.
Yeah.
I mean, I still ate it, but
It had bits of the burnt pan on the food.
I actually think that it was a bit dangerous because the
Yeah.
pan had
Probably.
burnt so much onto the food.
It's probably knocked a few years of our life out.
I think we probably lost a bit of life there, don't we?
Probably did, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells nice.
It does actually smell really
It smells
nice.
really good.
Come in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no, there's quite a lot. We've got a noodle pie. It's like the mash that you go on shepherd's pie.
Right, can we grab a bowl?
I'm so hungry. It smells really good. Oh,
Ooh.
oh my god. Thank you.
Look at this view, it is absolutely incredible.
That
How
is so
amazing
nice.
is that?
It's really nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Amazing. There you go.
Wow. That view is amazing.
Use the inflatable mats that we use for when we go hiking. The thermal pads,
Yeah.
then we've got the inflatable pads,
mats.
and then we've got our big sleeping bags on top of that.
Yeah.
And it's really filled up this space, so it was so it was so hard to manoeuvre. Only Sophie could do it. I couldn't get in at the same time, but she's done a cracking job. It's all set up, so
Yeah, that's lovely.
I think we're gonna have a really cozy night tonight, aren't we?
Yeah. I think hopefully, because it's going to be like -1, I think, or 2.
This is the coziest setup that we've had in the tent box.
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
I know, I don't want to get out.
I know.
I don't want to go back out because it's getting dark now as well. So I think we're going to go and make some more food because I'd love to make that curry that we were talking about earlier. These fairy lights around the top of the canopy, and they look so cute. They look so, so nice. And we've still got a gorgeous view even though the sun's going down. The reflection of all the mountains on the lake is amazing. It's really nice. It's really cute, darling.
Very happy.
Yeah.
If anybody's thinking about going on a road trip, just do it.
Yeah.
Honestly, just get in your car, your truck or whatever it is and just go, because you come across some amazing spots where you were just driving and hoping for the best.
I know, that's what we've done in every one, isn't
Yeah,
it? We've just hoped for the best and
yeah.
it's turned out really, really well.
Really, really well, so yeah, I recommend it.
I think we should put some food on.
Yeah.
Get a nice warm
Guess
drink.
what we've got? What I forgot?
What have we got?
We've got hot chocolate.
Have we got hot chocolate? Oh
You've
my
got
God,
them
yes.
little sachets. Not bad for a roadside meal, is it?
But no, we've had 2 good meals today.
Yeah. Our plan for tomorrow is, hopefully it's not going to be raining in the morning. We'll get the kayak out nice and early. We'll go out onto the water and have a little float around the island, and I think it'll be dead nice.
I think it'll be lovely.
I'm really looking forward to that. How's your curry?
It's good, it's spicy.
Spicy.
Why is it spicy?
There we go. Okay.
So we're about to head up and get some sleep in our tent box.
Yeah, we've had some nice food, nice hot chocolate, and we've put our hot water bottles in our sleeping bags, so we're going to climb in and see what they're like.
Yeah, so good night and we'll see you in the morning. That view. Wow. You can hear the birds. So nice.
Right, I've opened the truck door to try and get in. I'm going to have to do some sort of manoeuvre because all them steps are wet. So this is dangerous. Okay, I made it. That went alright. Boots. Got your boots. Look at that. I think we're gonna have some breakfast. Hello. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Are you just gonna get out that way here?
Yeah.
Just roll down the canopy.
I just need a bath, so I think I'm gonna go on.
You can have a bath there.
Big
Yeah, it's all ready for you.
Do you think it's warm enough?
Yeah, the bath's warm and ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be nice that. Some brekkie. I'll show you what we've got. It's a bit of a mess in there because we just threw everything in last night so we could go to bed. We've got these little strawberry matcha overnight oat pots. So I know it's nothing crazy, but I think we'll have them. They'll be quite nice and easy. But I think we might get the kayak out today because it's absolutely completely still, isn't it? So I'm really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. Neither of us properly kayaked before, so yeah, we'll give it a go. You look like the Grinch.
I couldn't put my shoes on properly. We've got our life jackets on.
We've got our kayak.
Is it going up?
Yeah, I think so. Just keep it going. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's getting up. Brilliant. No.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
Yeah.
I'm a bit nervous. Oh yeah. Okay. We're in the kayak.
We did
I mean,
it.
we're still at the shore,
I
but
think we need to like push.
maybe.
Is this
Oh
how
my
you do
God.
it?
Huh?
Is this how you do it?
I think that's how you do it. Yeah. And our kayak. Right, let's get to that island. I wonder how many people have actually gone on the island. We're going to be
I
the
don't
first ever adventurers to go on the island.
Come
Yeah, we're getting there.
Oh, we're making progress now.
Yeah, we're sailing now.
There we go.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we did it.
Good job.
There we go.
Good job.
We made it on the island.
We did it.
Oh, what are they?
What have you found?
There's loads of thingies.
What are they?
They're like little crustaceans. Does the water come all the way up here?
I think so, yeah.
This is pretty cool.
Oh, this is nice actually, isn't it? Look at the grass across
Yeah.
there.
Should
Has
we
somebody
go-
been mowing this? It's quite well kept, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just the local grass cutter.
Yeah.
Kayaks over here.
Yeah. Well, we've explored the little island and we found
Some
just little
creatures.
creatures. I think they were like little shrimp or something, weren't
Yeah.
they? Oh, where are they? How do you reckon? Have a good time?
Yeah, you do.
Alright, yeah, let's get ourselves back because it's raining now. We got in just in time because it
We
just
did.
started raining really badly. So we've just packed away the kayak, got everything back in the truck, canopies in, tent boxes down, we're ready to go again.
yeah, we've had an amazing time. Genuinely, this has probably been the best one. And I know I say that every time,
It has been.
but it actually has been the best one. I've really, really enjoyed this. If you guys like this video as well, please check out our channel where we're going to be posting new videos every single Sunday. And we're going to have loads more adventures like this one. So if
Yeah.
you like it, like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you.